This is how to reset your service overdue light in a Mercedes. This will work on any model as long as it has this new digital dash with this sort of steering wheel. So step one, you're going to click this one time only to put it into accessory mode. And then you're going to need to be on your trip screen, which is this with your odometer. You're then going to hold this back button for about 5 seconds and then press that at the same time. Scroll down to Assist Plus. It says we need the ignition on. Click Full Service. And now you're just going to select which service you've done. Confirm service. Confirm your oil grade. Yes. Confirm. Full service carried out. And that is simply how to get rid of your service overdue or oil change due light on your Mercedes. Pretty simple.
All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.